Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Ken, also known as MrKenDenis. So in today's video, we are going to go to an art exhibition unveiling. It's sort of like a street art thing. I'm a bit fuzzy with the details, honestly. So I wasn't really supposed to go, but I managed to get off work early and I've got my face on. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go. I'm pretty sure Hannah and AJ are going to be there. I'm not really sure who else, but it's definitely going to be a lot of fun. So let's go. So I'm now here at South Wharf. I basically need to walk all the way down that way to get to the venue. So from my understanding it's an art installation that they're going to show off and basically promote, like, I don't know, like local artists. I'm not sure. I don't even know when my friends are getting there, so I might be there early, so who knows. Alright guys, so I'm now here at the General Assembly, so this is the venue. I'm really hot. I've forgotten I've been here before. I was here probably 2 years ago when Sunny 2 was here. So we came here for, I think, a beer and a burger. I am really early, like I'm the first like non-event person here, like organizer. So I'm like, I probably should have walked around a bit more, but anyways, I think AJ and Hannah are on their way, so hopefully they're here soon because I'm alone. Alright, so we've got little wristbands, so if we want to have drinks and stuff. I'm not really feeling that great today because I'm still a bit sick, but I am definitely going to get a drink because it's a lovely day not to have a drink and tomorrow's my day off. Alright guys, I've got Joe. Hi! One half of the channel, so I'll link the channel down in the description box down below, but yeah, the reason why I'm here.
Yep. Check out the artwork.
Cheers!
Yeah.
Not enough depth of field. AJ's very tall again. Everyone's here. We've got AJ, we've got Hannah. We've got Peter, we've got Luke as well. Catch up. Hey guys, it is the next day. So last night was amazing. I just took an Uber home because yeah, I just was not feeling like going on public transport. Slightly intoxicated and it was really hot. But yeah, it was an amazing night. Just got to catch up with friends again and all the art installations, really pretty. Definitely gave that a very Melbourne vibe. So, you know, if you don't really want to go out and venture out in Melbourne, you can just go in there and then just have that Melbourne vibe in itself. But anyway, today is an extremely busy day for me and I'm already running late, so I'm going to go down, get an Uber so I can go to my seat fitting. So yeah, I'm running late and I haven't really done a full face of makeup. I do want to wear a little bit more makeup later when I do get my photo taken for my passport. Alright, so I'm getting fitted now. So I've got a white shirt on. I'm wearing some navy pants. I'll show you guys what the full suit looks like when I get to the party that I'm going to that needs this suit. But yeah, again, this is called Black Tie Classics here in Carlton, so along pretty much near Lycon Street. So yeah, that's what it looks like so far. Yeah. What is up guys? So I'm back home, as you guys can tell. I've had lunch and I didn't really vlog as soon as I got home because I had this killer headache, so I wasn't really sure if it was because I was really hot and I just got a little bit dehydrated. So, you know, I had a banana, water, and it still wouldn't go away, so I had Panadol as well. Now I'm feeling much better. But anyway, I have got my face of makeup on. Not much really, it's just a BB cream from Bioderma. I've also got a little bit of concealer underneath the eyes, some contour shade just as an eyeshadow and some mascara because yeah, I'm going to take my photo for my passport soon. Alright guys, so I'm now in the city. I'm in Melbourne Central. I'm about to head to the Mac store, which is like up that way. I went to the post office to get my passport stuff done, got the photo done and everything. That was easy. But now I have another issue where my identification doesn't match. So when I did my form online, I didn't really check the spelling of my name because I'm Filipino, so we have the maiden name, like we still keep our mum's maiden name in the entirety of our name. So I have it still there on some of my documents. Whereas in the Anglo-Saxon world, you don't use that, and that's considered your middle name. So there's some documents where I just didn't bother putting my middle name because I thought they didn't need it. Apparently they do. So now I have to find an internet cafe or like a library and edit my application form. I have to find an internet cafe or a library to edit my application form and then go back to the post office. I'm actually half an hour early, not late, this time half an hour early to the Mac appointment, so I'm hoping that they can squeeze me in now. Hopefully they don't mind. That way I still have time to go find an internet cafe. Alright guys, so crazy afternoon. Anyway, I'm in the Mac store now at Melbourne Central and I have got a lovely girl. I've got a lovely girl, her name is Jasmine. She's going to be colour matching me, talking to me about the whole new Waterlight range, and yeah, this is the Mac store. Yeah, so I'm really excited because I haven't really tried the range out before. As you guys know, I love Studio Fix, and we'll see if I love this much as that product.
Have you used the Waterweight before?
No, I've only ever really used the Studio Fix line.
So you're a full coverage person? Yeah, perfect. That's good, because the Waterweight was designed to be a little bit more of a natural foundation. Right. Although with the addition of the concealer, you can really build it up to more of a full coverage with that. So we can do that if you prefer a bit more of a full coverage.
For daily, yeah, just like a light medium is fine. I mean, I used to use the mineralized range just for work.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, which is much the same, more of a medium. Yeah, okay. Perfect.
Alright, so these are the products. So this is the Waterweight foundation. I think we're going with NC37 just to match my summer skin at the moment. So we've also got the Studio Waterlight pressed powder. This one is in medium D. And we are also going to go with the concealer. And I've never used a sort of like dropper type concealer, so that'll be interesting. I've got one of these plates at home, so it's going to be interesting. I think we're going to go with the shade NC30 just to give that bright under eye effect, but overall I'm pretty happy, and my skin still looks like skin, if that makes sense. It's still got that nice glow, which I'm very impressed about. Alright guys, so we are done with the colour matching, so I'm just gonna head home and update you guys with the drama that happened today. Okay, so I'm back home, got some cold water. It's really hot today. So the air conditioning's on, but it's not coping really well because the sun's facing the building, so it's really hot. Yes, today has been a very productive day. So out of the 3 tasks, I've managed to complete 2. Unfortunately, the passport application just didn't work out because there was an issue with the spelling of my name, so I think I did mention that earlier, and I thought if I just found a cafe, like an internet cafe, and just edit it and stuff like that, but unfortunately it just wouldn't let me. I might have to just do it all over again, and hopefully tomorrow I can submit it at the local post office near my workplace. Hopefully they do passport applications. Otherwise I might have to do it another day, like maybe Monday or Saturday. If one of the post offices is open, I'll do it then. But yeah, I'm really hungry. I'm actually quite dizzy. I didn't really realize how hungry I was. I'm not sure if it's because of the heat. I'm feeling quite dizzy from just hunger, or I just have not eaten properly throughout the day. I've been running here and there. Oh, that's the microwave. Yeah, I've just been running here and there all day and just kind of like answering emails and stuff like that, so yeah. I also wanted to film another video, like a sit down, like makeup sort of like video, but it's for a brand, and I'm still waiting for confirmation on details of what I need to say and stuff for the brand. Yeah, if you guys aren't familiar with how social media sort of like brand deal sort of videos work, you kind of have to really confirm with them what they want specifically in terms of like the vibe and the, I suppose, like the lines you're going to be saying. Like just double check with them, because if they aren't happy with it, they'll ask you to refill, and it's really hard to refilm, especially for me when I work pretty much full-time hours, and I have to get the lighting right again, and what I'm wearing and my hair sometimes has to be exactly the same, otherwise I might as well just film the whole thing all over again. So I like to confirm via email what exactly they want from me, that way I can deliver the best possible product for them. So yeah, didn't get back to me today, and that's fine, you know. I was just hoping that they would reply today so I could film today, because today I've got free time, but otherwise I've got the weekend still to do it anyway. But I'm going to show you guys the noodles that I got because I'm really, really hungry. I went to the Asian grocery next to Coles at the Melbourne Central train station. So I got one of these. This is the Nissin instant noodles. This is the black garlic oil flavored one. I really like the seafood one as well, but I thought I want something a little bit more flavorful. I did buy some dumplings as well, but I thought I just want something well, this isn't exactly light, but I don't want something too heavy because I want to have a proper dinner as well. So yeah, just popped it in the microwave with some hot water, and I'm just going to put in some of the seasoning, and then I'm just going to have something to eat, and then I am going to go back to my desk, which is a complete utter mess. Hey guys, it's been a couple of days since the last entry, and I completely forgot to say goodbye to the vlog. But I have new products as well, so I thought I would just show you. This is the first time I've ever gotten my Mecca beauty loop box. I've never really purchased enough from Mecca to really get anything, but last year I did buy a few things for like giveaways and stuff. So yeah, I've got my very first Mecca beauty loop box, so I'm going to show you guys that in a second. But I also wanted to share with you guys some exciting news. So for the Japan trip that's happening in April, I finally secured a Wi-Fi, like a pocket Wi-Fi, and a company is actually sponsoring, well, they're giving the product to me in exchange for social media post, so you know, that sort of thing. So very, very excited, very fortunate that I got that deal, because it's quite expensive actually, considering how long we're going to be there, and the fact that they're just giving it to us for free. Well, not free really, like that's a whole different discussion, but yeah. So the fact that I got that was great. I think pocket Wi-Fi are really handy when you go overseas, because it's really handy. You can, you know, keep your own SIM card, go overseas, and then just connect your phone, your tablet and whatnot, and just roam around and not have to worry about excess data charges, because you know, when you go overseas, data roaming is really expensive. So that's one option for you guys. The company also has a SIM card as well, and I think they've also expanded into different countries. Let me just pull up on their website. So from looking on the website, they basically offer the service in different countries as well, not only in Japan. So they also do Latin America, Australia, you know, just a lot of countries. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down in the description box down below. So again, if you're not interested in using a pocket Wi-Fi because you're worried about like the charge losing and just everything like that, or just personal preference, you just want your phone, just one device, then there's also the SIM card option. And apparently they've just expanded in Latin America. So but yeah, but all details are going to be down in the description box down below if you guys are interested. And now let's get into the beauty loop box. So I'm pretty sure I'm in the first level. Yeah, level 1. Okay, so it gives you a little bit of a overview of what you're going to get. Alright, we've got some sachets. We've got one from Smashbox. This is the Photo Finish Foundation Primer in Radiance with hyaluronic acid. So I'm assuming it's going to give you a very moisturized finish and radiance in the skin, as the name implies. We've also got a Kate Somerville Glow Moisturizer. So very heavy emphasis on the moisturizer and skin prep. Ooh, we have got a Mario Badescu Botanical Exfoliating Scrub, so that's going to be handy. I also like the fact that it's a little travel size, so I might bring that along when I go to Sydney for a little event that I'm doing in March, because yeah, I need to exfoliate the skin before I prep for makeup. I also have this Stila, or how do you guys say it? Do you guys say Stila or Stila? Say All Day liquid lipstick. It's like a pinky rose color, like a mauve. Then this one's called Perla. So yeah, it looks really pretty. Maybe a little bit too nude for me without a lip liner, but still pretty. But yeah, that's my Beauty Loop level 1 box. So if you guys are in Australia and you guys do purchase stuff from Mecca, highly suggest going for their membership as well, because it's free. All you have to do is just give your details, and if you've accumulated enough points, I suppose. You then qualify for different beauty look boxes. So I think they got up to level 3. I think the level 3 one is the better one. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.